Okay, go ahead, Jen.
You want to know how to make great snacks like this? Stick around, we'll show you.
Welcome back, everybody. We got the crazy kids with us today, and today we're making Lil Smokies wrapped in bacon. We're gonna do some with brown sugar butter, some barbecued, and man, these things are good. But before we show you how to make them, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Hit that bell icon next to it so you get notified of all our new videos. Hit that like button and leave us a comment below what you think about it. So, now, we've got all that out of the way. Let's get to cooking. Okay, to do this, we're going to have some Lil Smokies. We got 2 packs here, a couple packs of bacon, some toothpicks, and, of course, a pan to put them in. So what we're going to do is just what I did was cut the bacon into thirds and just take a little smoky and wrap it in bacon. And then what we'll do is once you get it good and wrapped in bacon, take a toothpick, stick through it, and put it in the pan. And just continue that process till you get all the ones that you want to make made up. And I mean, it's fairly straightforward, pretty simple. Don't get much easier than this. And just put them in the pan when you're done. So let's get all these made up and we'll bring you back here in a minute. Well, we got the grill heated up to about 225 high smoke. What we're going to do, we got all these made up now. We're just going to take these and set these on the rack right here. Just kind of spread them out, as you can see, so they all can get some good smoke. And we'll just let them cook for about an hour or two. Let this bacon and these Lil Smokies just take in some good smoke flavor. And then we'll take them up and we'll put some sauce to them. Put the juice on them. Make them really good. So let's get them all on here. Close them up. We'll just let them cook. Well, they're all on the grill now. There's a lot of them. It's going to be some good eating here after a while. So what we're going to do is just close this down now and let this thing smoke and cook now. About 225 high smoke setting. Using hickory wood today, kind of give this bacon a good hickory flavor taste. And we'll just let it cook until the bacon's done. Then we'll take them up and really put the stuff to them. These been cooking right at an hour now, 225 high smoke. That bacon's probably took a lot of smoke, so what we're going to do now is crank the temperature up a little bit and get that bacon good and crispy. Then we're going to take them up and do them to them. Okay, this bacon's done crisped up a little bit. As you can see, it's got the grease has done got to where it's smoking. So what we'll do now is just start taking them up. We'll take them inside, and we're going to put the stuff to them. So let's get all these taken back up, put back in a pan, and we will get them ready. We got them inside now, and now we're going to put some, we got some brown sugar and butter. That's a cup of brown sugar to 1 stick of butter. We're going to pour all into one pan and get them all coated good. And just mix all that up, get them all coated good in that. And what we're going to do on the other one is cover it in barbecue sauce. And then put them back on the grill and get these things good and sticky, good hot, and just, oh, these things are going to be so good. So let's coat this one with some barbecue sauce. Now, you whatever kind of sauce y'all want. We're just using just a regular, just a Kraft original barbecue sauce. And just stir them up real good. Then what we're going to do now is we turn the grill back down to about 250. And we're just going to put them back on the grill for about 20, maybe 30 minutes and just let this sauce set on these things good and they'll be ready to go. So let's get them back on the grill. Got them back on the grill now, so now we're just going to let these things just sit and let the sauce just kind of get good and sticky, good hot, and then these things will be ready. Let's close it down. Let it cook now. All right, we got them off the grill now. All we got to do now is plate them up and eat them up. So let's get that done. All right, we got them off the grill and onto a plate. Y'all ready to try them out?
Yeah.
Okay, what we have here is we have some that we made with a brown sugar and butter kind of mix and some barbecued ones. But all of them have been hickory smoked, as you've seen earlier. So let's try them out. Which one do you want to try first, Tootie? That's your barbecue, that's your brown sugar. You want to try the barbecue? Oh, so she's going to take the barbecue into the brown sugar. Okay. Try it out and see what you think. Don't need a toothpick now.
I'm not.
Well, go ahead, Junior. Try you one out. Want to try you one? Go ahead and try one. Bite into it. Y'all like it?
That's good.
You gonna take them to school? She said that's good. About you, Junebug? Yep. We're gonna take these to school tomorrow. Well, you ain't gonna be able to. I'm gonna eat them all tonight. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna help you.
Oh, you gonna help me? Okay. Well, there you go. That's how you make them. And I tell you what, as you can see, they like them. So try them for yourself. See how you like them. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Y'all like them?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Okay. So tell everybody what to do now. Y'all know what to do?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you subscribe, right?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you comment below and hit that like button. And also, when you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That way you get notifications every time we upload new videos like this one. All right, y'all good? Okay, we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.